This video will show you how to create your school's bullying prevention policy and plan. It will show you how to preview the policy and plan and release it to the public. You will also see how to create and monitor actions to implement your bullying prevention policy and plan. Select the bullying prevention policy and plan from the main landing page. The bullying prevention policy and plan has 3 parts. Start by completing your school information. Begin by adding your school's values statement. This part is optional. Create your school's vision. There is a standard statewide vision that will automatically appear in your policy. You can choose to include an additional vision unique to your school. You can use or edit the default text or create your own. Indicate how bullying is reported at your school. Select the checkboxes to indicate who students and parents report bullying to at your school. Use the Other checkbox to add additional staff roles not listed. Select the checkboxes to indicate how students and parents can report bullying or suspected bullying. Save your progress. The next step is to complete your strategy survey. This is an optional tool to help you and staff to assess how well your school is implementing whole-of-school approaches to bullying prevention and well-being. You can email your staff the survey link by selecting this button. The strategies are sorted into the 7 functions of the department's behaviour support policy. Work through each page of the survey and submit your responses at the end. You will see that your survey is complete on the bullying prevention landing page. It will tell you how many staff surveys are completed. The last step is to select your bullying prevention strategies for the next year. Use your strategy survey results to decide what your school will focus on. Some of the strategies are mandatory and cannot be deselected. Work through the 7 policy functions to select your strategies. You can add your own strategy. Write your strategy in the text box and select the policy function that it applies to. Save your progress. Your strategy will appear last for the selected policy function. Once you have selected all of your strategies, save your progress. Once you've completed the 3 parts, you are ready to preview your policy and plan. Select the Preview Draft Policy and Plan button. A preview web page will appear in a new window. You will see the standard department text has been combined with your custom text. The strategies you selected will appear under the section called Our Approach to Bullying Prevention. Before you finalise your policy and plan, you'll want to check it for errors. It's a good idea to consult with staff, students, and the Governing Council. Make sure you also have the approval of your principal. Once you are ready to make your bullying prevention policy and plan public, select the checkbox and submit your policy and plan. Your policy and plan will be a public web page. It will automatically appear on your school's site listing on the department's website. It might take up to 2 days for this to happen. You will need to log back into the tool to check if it's on the department's website. Share the policy and plan with your school community by linking to this web page from your school website. Use this button if you need to make changes to your policy and plan. Your published policy and plan will remain on the department's website until you submit a new version. Now that you have finished your policy and plan, you can write actions for how you will implement it. The strategies you selected will appear in your action plan. You can add actions against each strategy. Select the staff member who will be responsible for the action. If they do not appear in the drop-down box, you will need to add them first. Write the action and set a due date. Submit your action. Your action will be added to your action plan. You can edit this action using the pencil. Staff can be notified that actions have been assigned to them using this button. You can filter your action plan. You can also print your action plan.